This is Danny Gould
and Kirsten Biegtan
with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to our exclusive virtual open house event for 4498 Delray Avenue, located here in Coyote Valley. We are extremely excited to bring you through the home. Because of COVID, we've had to adapt, adjust, and overcome to our circumstances. And so instead of inviting you to come check it out in person at a traditional open house, we're going to do a virtual open house where we walk you through the home and make sure that you see every nook and cranny of the property. With the anticipation and the hope that if you like what you see, you schedule a private in-person showing to come check it out. You really owe it to yourselves, right, to come see it in person. But until then, welcome everyone to 4498 Delray Avenue. All right, everyone, let's head inside the home. But before we go in, Kirsten, how beautiful is this foliage?
It's gorgeous, Danny. It's beautiful.
Lots of colors, so very inviting front. And if you notice, as we're walking through the front entrance of the home, we had this beautifully freshly laid sod. The exterior, Kirsten, the exterior was just painted.
Yep.
Yeah. So just painted, and we had this beautiful front entry door. You know, not a lot of people put an emphasis on how that front door really adds to the experience of the home, right? This is the first thing that people see. So this front door, very high quality. We have a Ring doorbell as well. Welcome home, everyone. By the way, everyone say hi to J-Rod behind the camera. J-Rod is gonna be your guide as we walk through this home. Kirsten, tell us a little bit about this property as J-Rod shows us this room. Let's get out of his way here.
Well, Danny, this beautiful and super cozy South San Jose home is 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The previous owners had done a converted addition, which now brings the property up to about 1,270 square feet, providing a lot more living space. It has been fully renovated from head to toe. From a completely upgraded kitchen with quartz countertops and brand new Samsung stainless steel appliances, modernized bathrooms, and vinyl hardwood flooring.
When you look at this flooring right here, it looks like really high quality hardwood, but here's the cool thing about it. You can have pets in here because it's completely scratch proof. It's completely 100% submersible in water, so it will not swell up if you spill water on it, which is a problem with some of the other hardwood type style floorings that you see out there on the market today. Yeah. Let's go inside here, shall we? Perfect. After you, ladies first. So, a lot of this is pendant lighting. Is it recessed, do you know? Do we know if it's recessed? It's a nice recessed lighting, really high quality finishes. One of the things that I really admire about this property is how much went into the actual finishes. This property was a flip property, but the upgrades that have been put inside of this home are absolutely spectacular, very high quality. Most flippers in this area, they will find the cheapest flooring, the cheapest countertop, the cheapest appliances. They did not skimp out, right, Kirsten?
That's true.
So when you're buying this home, you're buying quality. You really are. Home, for those of you that are wondering, originally built in 1964, right, Kirsten?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Also, look at this natural lighting. Look at the natural lighting that you're getting here in the living spaces. Lots of open, great room type feel concept in this room, and lots of natural lighting for the great room as well. You could host parties here, right, Kirsten, in the afternoon?
Yeah, you got a fireplace right there, cozy up.
All right, J-Rod, let's take them through into the back rooms. Now, Kirsten, tell us a little bit more about what this area has to offer.
Well, Danny, this house is in an awesome location. It is just minutes away from Valley Christian, which is an awesome middle school and high school located to the area. It is super close to Hellier County Park, as well as Oak Ridge Mall. We have various shopping centers nearby as well, such as Village Oaks Shopping Center. And then you have Club Sports Complex right there as well.
Right, that Silver Creek Sports Complex is like really big. Anyone that's, any type of fitness, I think they have hockey, ice hockey, right?
They have a huge swimming pool.
Right, huge swimming pool, soccer, really something for everyone there. Yeah, and my personal favorite, actually, my CrossFit gym, the CrossFit gym that I go to, CrossFit Coyote Valley, is about a 5-minute drive from this
On Basking Ridge, right?
Yes, really close to Basking Ridge. Yeah. By the way, and I don't think that we showed J-Rod this, or J-Rod showed this maybe as he was walking through the home, but one of the things that the seller installed was this great Google Home thermostat. So this is, I guess, syncable with any sort of like Google smart home devices. Really convenient. Also, I don't know if we pointed out this. J-Rod, did you show them this bathroom yet? This really cool LED backlit. Here, look at that. I'm kidding. Stop that. Show them the house, J-Rod. Get off of me.
All right, hi guys, welcome to the master bedroom. Come on in.
Now, here's one of the things about this property is that despite it being only 1170 on record, 1,170 square feet on record, it feels like way more square footage. The concept is fairly open, especially on the front half of the home. So these rooms feel a lot bigger than you would expect for a 1,200 square foot home. Something to consider because the layout really does impact and matter. And I feel like this is one of the more open layouts that you'll find at this square footage range. Kirsten, you're in the bathroom there. What do you got for them?
Yeah, so beautiful bathroom, awesome black finishes. As you can see, there is no shower door as of right now. However, the seller does have it on order. And then we also have another LED light mirror as well.
All right, everyone, let's come through the backyard. And the thing I love most about this backyard is that view. You really have these amazing views of the East Foothills. Obviously, we're really close to Valley Christian and all of that, but really, I mean, the best part about this property, really, in my opinion, is the fact that we have those amazing views out here in the backyard.
Yeah. All right, thank you guys so much for stopping by to our virtual open house for 4498 Delray Avenue.
Yeah, and if you guys like what you see here, we really hope that you come out, you check this property out in person. You can reach out to us at the number down below to schedule your showing, or if you have any questions about the property at all, would like to view the disclosures, the reports, etc. We have a full set of property reports available for you. So any and all of that, you can reach us at the number down below. Again, everyone, this is Danny Gould.
And this is Kirsten Biegtan.
And we're selling Silicon Valley, and we'll catch all of you in the next video.